Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you of the most yummilicious cookies with strawberry jam. They've turned out absolutely amazing. Let me show you what they look like and I'll do a taste test too. So here they are. Can you see? Filled with strawberry jam in the center. And amazing, like shortbread with strawberry jam. So here's my taste test. Oh my goodness gracious me. Oh yeah, they have no eggs in it either. So let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's begin. We begin with 80 grams of cream cheese put into a mixing bowl and 1/3 of a cup of solid butter into the mixing bowl. We are going to put both these into the microwave for 30 seconds and soften them. Now I am putting 1/3 of a cup of a powdered sweetener, and then we are going to be adding 1.5 cups of almond flour. Give it all a good mix. Next we will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to it. And that's just about it for the shortbread cookie. Now, if you want to make it more shelf stable, then you can add 1 egg. Now I've made little rounds and I've taken a top of a cap of a bottle and I made little impressions. So these are also called thumbprint thumbprint cookies, and I filled them with homemade sugar-free strawberry jam. I'll put the link to the strawberry jam also in the description box. They'll go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for anywhere between 14 to 18 minutes. When they come out, they are just little brown on the sides but still white. The underside will also be brown. Keep them in the refrigerator overnight for the best result.